I'm trying to think of music that I love the production on. So many. Right now I've been listening to a lot of Nothing But Thieves. They've got a killer album that just came out. I mean, they're kind of a newer band, but I think their debut album is out, and they've been touring with Muse. But they have a killer song called Trip Switch. That whole record is just super cool. Love the production on that. A couple years ago, there was a band called Colony House, and they have a killer album called When I Was Younger, and I love the production on that. It's very vibey, very analog sounding, but modern at the same time. Just great guitar rock stuff, killer vocals, just the delays on it are awesome. So much, I mean, there's so much great music being made. But even back to like, I grew up with 90s rock and roll. I loved like the Verve Pipe Villains, that record. The production on that is like flawless in my opinion. Like the songwriting's amazing, the arranging's amazing, and the drums are just ridiculously perfect. And that was done, I don't know, like 96, 97. So yeah, there's tons of production that I love, and I'm always like amazed at how people get these sounds. And that's what drives me to want to go fiddle. I'm like, how did they get that to sound that good? And you have to love good music to then go engineer, because it's that love of music that bugs you until you can figure out how to get that sound or something similar on your own. So I love a lot of the production these days.